Hey guys, so if you have the Canon R6 and you're looking for the way how to fix the overheating, this is something I found on Reddit. Maybe it's going to help you. So make sure you have the latest firmware. Don't leave the camera active while you're doing other stuff. If it's again on a tripod feeding the EVF or rear screen, and especially if it's processing AF and running the IBIS, it's going to build up the heat even though it's not recording. Turn it off or assign a button to sleep the camera and use that button. Make sure the 120 EFE option is disabled. This may not affect the flip out screen. I'm not sure if it's a refreshes. And then a Ninja V. So this is something that you can actually get. Something that I read also for other cameras that should give you much longer record times, but there are still limits depending on ambient temperatures and recording mode. So ambient temperature are probably the one reason why you get conflicting advice. So this is something that you can also try to do. And I just want to make this quick video for you and I hope it was beneficial. So have a great day and goodbye.